You must understand, there are people out there who will be hating you, disliking you for something. When you see others succeed in anything, do you get jealous? Do you get envious? Would you like to see their downfall? If that's the case, you need help. You need to connect with Allah. You need to actually build your relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is Allah who gave them. He will give you. Work hard. Pray for them. Thank Allah for them. Don't become jealous, because you know what? That jealousy leads to enmity. Enmity leads to hatred. And hatred can lead to war. Subhanallah. You hate someone. What will happen? You begin to hurt them, harm them, fighting. Then it becomes physical. And sometimes it goes beyond that. People literally go to war because that business is doing this business. Look at the wars that are happening outside. I'm no one to comment because I haven't studied it deeply. But every day we hear about taxi wars and this wars and that wars. What is it about? It's all about sustenance and money and nothing else. Your company is doing well. I don't want it. I want it for myself. So what do? They shoot each other. Astaghfirullah. Like I said, I'm not an expert in that field, but we read what's going on sometimes in the headlines. And we feel sorry for the people. Subhanallah.